Good afternoon, everyone. Let us discuss about the design process and methods in the smart manufacturing process. Let us see how this CAD model will be used in the software with the help of the design software. Introductions to CAD model preparations. Here, the CAD model preparations is the critical process of creating, optimizing the digital models for manufacturing, engineering analysis, and additive manufacturing workflows. This is the foundational step in the CAD, computer manufacturing. First one is the design step. That is the design is the first basic fundamental in the CAD model preparations, where in olden days we use the pencil scales and the drawing equipments to design the object. Nowadays we use these design software like AutoCAD Pro, SolidEdge, SolidWorks. These are some of the design software which will help in the manufacturing area to design the complex and the critical shapes. The first advantages of using this one is will give the accurate in the dimensions and the geometry, and easy for manufacturable with the help where the ready for production process and error free. We can easily validate the models where the place we require. This is about the introduction to CAD model preparations. Next one is the empathy stage in the design. The empathy stage here is that model errors including gaps, holes, and overlapping geometry. In olden design technique, where we use these pencils or some other equipment which will give easy errors. We cannot predict the geometrical of the solid models, and then the poor surface quality which will find out affecting the final output, time consuming in making corrections in the designed model, and also in very tough in modifying the designs in the during the production time. And another thing in the empathy stage here, from the customer side is failed prints wasting materials and time because of the failed design will waste a number of machines, and then dimensional inaccuracies and excessive support structure increasing cost. So due to the lack of drawing the design will have more structure cost and post processing difficulties in future. The solutions is to user needs a clean, optimized, and printable CAD models that seamlessly transition from design to production without any errors or delays. This is about in the smart manufacturing or the additive manufacturing. We use these sensors and then automation system to easily manufacture the component. The defined stage. Let us discuss about the uh, problem statement of the CAD model preparations. So the CAD models that are error-free, manufacturable, and optimized for additive manufacturing or conventional productions. The first point is this closed geometry, where there is no the boundaries or the nodes or the openings of the other layout to join. So the closed geometry for the designs, and correct and accurate dimensions where will give the appropriate manufacturing tolerances and the measurements. This will be help during the production time. Production volume thickness, adequate material distributions for the structural integrity. Where the designed product or the object, we can give the adequate material distributions for the uh, production. So it will not have any the wastage of the tools or the wastage of the material. Software compatibility, seamless integrations with slicing with the CAD software, where from the loading to the unloading we can connect with the software. So it will help easily to monitor and to modify and to establish the product manufacturing. Minimal post processing cost, where the reduced need for cleanup and finishing operations because the automation software will help in accuracy and the quality, so need not having any most post processing activities like scrap removing or the surface grinding or surface finishing work. This is about the different stage in the CAD model. Steps of the CAD model preparations is the concept and sketch creations. The first thing where we use the initial AutoCAD or Pro or the design software like SolidWorks or SolidEdge need to create the sketch design, and then 3D CAD modeling, digital model constructions, where we initiate that ideation that will convert into the 3D model as the requirement for the production. That will be easily done in the software like SolidEdge and the SolidWorks. That will help in the accurate designs, and then design on manufacturing, and then geometry cleanup, and then future simplifications, file conversions, model verifications, and ready for production. These are all